Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, till now we have done the division of 2-digit number and 3-digit number by a single digit number. Now today we will do the division of 4-digit number with a single digit number. Okay. Now start question number 1. Here you have given 84. I will write at 8482 divided by 2. Okay. Now here this 2 is a divisor and this 8482 is a dividend. Okay, students. Now here we have to divide 8482 by 2. So now read the table of 2. See where 8 is coming. Students, we know the table of 2 now. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So write down 2 4s are 8. Now subtract 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now bring down the next digit, that is 4. Okay. Now read the table of 2 again. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So we will write here 2 and this is 4. Okay. Now 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Now bring down the next digit, that is 8. Now again we will read the table of 2 and we will see where 8 is coming in the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay. So 2 4s are 8. Now subtract 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0. Now bring down the next digit, which is 2. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2. We know that 2 1s are 2. So 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So what is quotient here, students? We know that the answer to division is called the quotient. So here this is the answer. So your answer will be quotient equal to 4241. And what is remainder? C. 0 is the remainder. Okay. Now move to the next question, that you have given 8408 divided by 4. Okay. Now let's start this question. 8408 which is divided by 4. Okay. Now start dividing by left side. So here this is 4 and this is single digit. We will take this single digit, that is 8. So now read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 4 2s are 8. We will write here 4 2s are 8. Now subtract 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0. Now bring down the next digit, which is 4. Now again we will read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4. Okay. We will write here 4 1s are 4. Now subtract 4 minus 4, that is 0. Now bring down the next digit. That next digit is 0. Okay. Now 4 zeros are 0. Anything multiplied by 0, answer will be 0. Okay. So now this again we will write here 0. Now put down the next digit, that is 8. Okay. Now read the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 4 2s are 8. Now 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0. Here what is quotient here? That is 2102. Okay. Now quotient is 2102. And what is remainder here? Which is equal to 0. Okay. Now move to the next question. That is 8008 divided by 8. Okay. Now we will start this question. Now this is 8008 and divided by 8. Okay. Now read the table of 8. 8 1s are 8. So 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0. Bring down the next digit, which is equal to 0. So 8 zeros are 0. So this is again equal to 0. Now put down the next digit. This is also equal to 0. So again 8 zeros are 0. So again we will put here 0. Now put down the next digit, which is equal to 8. So again 8 1s are 8. So your 8 minus 8 is 0. You can put cross here also. Okay. It's your wish. You can put cross here also. So here what is quotient? That is 1001. Not 101, that is 1001. That is quotient. And what is remainder here? Which is equal to 0. Okay. Now move to the next question that you have given. 3969 divided by 3. Okay. Now divide. Here we have to divide 3969 by 3. Okay. Now here we have to read the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Subtract 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now put down the next digit, which is 9. Write down this digit, that is 9. So read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So put down 3 threes are 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay. Now put down the next digit, which is equal to 6. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So we will write here 3 twos are 6. Again 6 minus 6 is 0, which is equal to 0. Okay. Now put down the next digit, which is equal to 9. So 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. Okay. Now 9 minus 9, which is equal to 0. So students, what is quotient here? That is 1323. And your answer will be quotient is, what is quotient? That is 1323. And what is remainder here? Which is equal to 0. Students, here 3 is a divisor, 3969 is a dividend, and the answer to division is called the quotient. So here this is 1323 is a quotient. Okay students, now we will do some more sums in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.